What's going on, everyone? Shadizo here. Today I'm going to start a new segment. It is called Custom Collectibles. So today I'm in the mood of Thanos, so I'm going to show you guys how to take this $12 toy and turn it into an awesome collectible. Stay tuned. Alright guys, thanks for watching my little video on me painting and everything like that. So here's a recap how to make this into a custom collectible. First thing you're going to do is get some primer on it. I use a clear coat primer that you can pick up at Walmart, any store that sells spray paint. So the key with primer is that you want to spray on it and let it sit there and cure. So luckily for me, I live out in Arizona and it's already hot, so it only took about 12 hours. If you want to be on the safe side, do 24 hours, let it sit there and cure. That's just to help the paint stick to it. So the first thing I did was I wanted to get the details in the arms and the face. So I just went out and bought some cheap shoe polish. So the key thing with the shoe polish is that I like to use a brush on it. You just wipe it on with the brush, wait about 30 seconds to a minute, and you take a paper towel and you wipe it off. And it gives all the details. It's a very, very effective way. I like it a lot better than black washing it. Now, if there's too much detail, if there's too much black on there, what you could do is you could get a cheap sponge and put it in lukewarm water, and you can actually scrub off a lot of the black on it. So it's a very easy way to get details out of a figure, and very inexpensive way, and it's very forgiving as well. So the next thing that I did was the chest piece, and I painted with a metallic blue on here. I wanted to get a little shine on it. And then from there, I just keep continuing painting. The technique I use on the pants, I use a very light brown, and I dry press the brown on there. Then after looking at this figure over and over, the pants actually have a lot of detail, so I just use shoe polish on the pants. Same thing with the boots, and it came out amazing. I wish my camera did this figure justice, because up close and personal, this looks nothing like the $12 toy that I bought from Walmart. It is a very cool collectible. The reason why I do these is because I go to like collectible shops and everything like that, and they have these cool figures, but those figures are like $250 or more. Every once in a while you can find them for $80. So the wife, you can imagine, really, I could get it, but then it eats a lot of my my allowance. So I never really get them because they're just super expensive. So I did this custom collectible of Thanos. It cost me $12, and plus the paints and stuff like that. So it's very inexpensive to go this route. I think it will look cool, especially like next to my Batman or whatnot. They're about the same size. This is about 12 inches, so it's actually a pretty big piece. So yeah, that's why I did this custom collectible, just to take an average toy and make it look badass. So the last thing I didn't film, but it's pretty self-explanatory. This is just a little piece of wood I got Hobby Lobby. So I just placed Thanos on there and took a Sharpie and drew around his feet. And then I drew in some cracks. I went and got this like black and gray spray paint. I kind of wanted to make it look like asphalt. So in one of the commercials, when Thanos lands in New York City, he lands right in the middle of the city. So I just imagine like how badass that is when he lands, like the asphalt cracks around him where his feet are, and his feet are indented in there. So that's kind of like the look I went on it. This thing ran me like a buck. So making a base for him was pretty cool, because it just added more to the thing on here. But that's it for me, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions on any techniques or anything like that. And yeah, this is super easy to do. I am no nowhere near a good painter, but this thing came out pretty sweet. Also, in the Titan series for these 12-inch figures for Infinity War, they have Iron Man, Thor, and Hulk. So it's a 4-piece. So let me know below if you guys want to see like the whole set done. If not, let me know if there's a toy down there like a Hulk Buster or something like that that you guys want me to do a video on. But besides from that, give me a thumbs up if you like this. Give me a thumbs down if you think it sucks. However, either way that you go with, make sure you subscribe. Just stay tuned for more videos. Alright guys, I'll catch you later.